What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review we have, well, a Ryobi table saw cutter, but we are going to review a saw blade that we got off of Amazon. We was just Amazon hunting and we found this one, 10-inch saw. I got this Ryobi table saw cutter from Home Depot. I got it like 3 years ago. If I can find the actual model, the model number, I still got the instructions. So once I find the actual one, I will post a link in the description so y'all can see it for yourselves or get it for yourselves. But in this review, we mainly going to review the saw. Why am I changing my saw? When we was finishing up the basement, I think the last project we was working on was the door. Yeah, the door. So we changed our old door, exit door, to a new exit door. And we was cutting wood. So some old wood that we took off of the frame of the old door, we cut it up because we wanted to reuse it. And when we cut it, there was nails that we didn't see inside of the wood. So with that being said, we ruined the blade. Now every time you try to make a cut on this blade, it's very hard to cut wood. So right now, it's a good time to review a new saw, right? Okay, so we are going to do a few things. We are going to test the integrity of this product. We're going to test the integrity of our extension cord that we have up there, the 30-foot or 50-foot. And then we're going to test the integrity of our Kaza product, the smart surge protector. And that will be it. Now I will have to look into the manual to make sure I know what I'm doing when changing this saw blade. All right, so let's get into it. You guys, you want to know something? I am so proud of myself. I cannot believe I still have this. This was in my toolbox. Thank goodness. All right, because this is the only way you're going to change this blade. Well, you can use a ratchet on this side, but this side, you need this wrench right here. You see how skinny this wrench is? I'm gonna show you real quick. There is no way you're getting a wrench skinny enough, like this skinny in here, to change this blade. All right, somebody like me, usually this wrench will be in the trash already. I don't know why I saved it, but that is awesome. And I didn't even review the blade, so here you go. This is the WEN blade. That's what it is, W-E-N. It says fine finish wood cutting. All right, and you see all the teeth right here. Whole lot of teeth, 60 T. 60 T, all right? Max RPM 6,000. All right, righty-tighty. Make sure it's really tight because definitely don't want it to come loose and we have trouble. I know y'all might ask, oh, well, don't the saw table come with legs? Yes, it does. But I lost the screws that assemble the legs, so I will have to rig it up, and I don't have time for that today. So we're working with what we have. Now this is just an estimate, guys. I'm not trying to do anything perfect here, but just estimating. All right, first thing I'm gonna do, turn on the vacuum. It couldn't handle it. It kicked it off. Thought so. This thing has its own breaker. You guys, this is one of the finest cuts I have ever witnessed in my life. That cut is very clean. Very, very smooth and clean. Wow. Now, what I did, in case you want to know, there is a breaker on this extension cord right here. So this extension cord has its own breaker. So if it overloads, you can go there, click the breaker and start it back up. It started up by itself. So one safety violation that I did was I didn't turn off the table saw. So the next time something like that happened, turn off the table saw. And if I'm talking too loud, it's because I have earplugs in. Found my gloves. I am having fun right now. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I'm having so much fun right now. I just want to go to the store, purchase more wood, and just cut. I don't know why, just want to cut. That's just showing me that it can't hold that much power. It's too much power all in one source. But let's hit the breaker. You guys, I'm happy, I'm satisfied. I love that blade. I love that blade. I am so happy right now. Of course, I overloaded on it. It's an overload, you guys. You can't load that much. I was just testing it out. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and unplug everything. Wind it up. All right, now, in a normal situation, I will probably just be using a regular circular saw. If I use a table saw, I have a 20 amp over here. So over here, I have my 20 amp on the wall. Me and my father-in-law put a 20 amp right there, 240 volt right there. And if I need to use any power, this is my baby right here. But I just wanted to test that out. And I wanted to test the Kaza to see how much, how much it could take. So it can take some power, you guys. It can take some power. That will be it with this review.